Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you just joined me, my name is Elizabeth, and this channel I do a lot of cleaning motivation videos, sometimes decorating videos and laundry motivation videos. So if you just joined me, please do hit the subscribe button. You won't be regretting. We have interesting stuff that we are doing. So today's video I am going to share with you a Pephome haul, mostly some organizing stuff. I'm in love with organizing space and a neat space. That's why I also do some cleaning motivation videos, because I like to share with you when I clean my space. So let's get right into the video. The first thing that I bought, the first thing that I have is this scatter cushion. It's fun in color. Last time I bought some couch, so it needed some scatter cushion. I got them from Pephome. Like I said, this is a Pephome haul, and it's $29.99. It's 30 rand. It's a 40 by 40. I think it will go with the couch, the colors of the couch. So I bought two of them, and to come clean this thing, I didn't buy them cash. They were on a lay-by, all of them, these things that I'm going to show you, except the fragile stuff like the canisters. I bought them cash. So I got two scatter cushions. I think they are beautiful. I'm going to put them on my couch. If you haven't seen the couch review, please check it out. I'll put a card so that you can check it out. And another thing, when I was moving around the shop, I came across this tray. It's so beautiful. It's a yellow tray. I don't like the yellow. I just bought it because I like it. I'm gonna transform it into white. So it was 130 rand on a price. It was 130 rand, and it was the last three in the store. I think in Polokwane we run out of stock. When they put in stock on the shelf, people just take everything at a go. Like these things here, these organizers here, they've just put them on the shelf. There were 8, so I took them all. I just took them all. I am sorry, Pep, just put more stock in your shelves. So these ones, they were 13.99 rand. I do have some already bought long time ago. I'm using them, so I want to use these ones to organize in my cupboard. There are 4. I said I bought 8. I already gave away another 4. So this one, I'm gonna organize them in my toiletries and in my kitchen cupboard. And another one, I bought the Continental Pillowcases, which were 26.99 rand. I think you can see it, 26 rand. I bought 3. The reason for this one is I'm gonna use them for the cottons of my couch cushions. Those cushions, the things inside, they are just loose, so I need to put them here and sew them in to lock them inside these things. So that's why I bought this. I need to unzip that cover and wash it whilst the cottons are in this thing. So that's why I bought this. For the love of candles, I just bought one. I got this candle at 24.99, 25 rand. It's a yellow, and it smells nice. I didn't know it has a smell, a fragrance. It smells nice. I'm going to put it on and light up my room. So I got this. I love candles. I do have 2 reds. I do have 3 white. And I bought again this frame. 11.99. I'm going to put it here on my side table. I love it so much. But if this thing and tapisha, I'm going to replace it with my photo. And moving right along, as you could see, I got a canvas. This canvas is trading at 84.99. Basically it's 85 rand of a price, so I bought 2 of them like this. I'm gonna put them on top of my couch on the wall to decorate that wall on top. So this goes to the couch section. I love them so much. They are so neutral, no popping colors and all those things like animal prints. These are so nice, guys. These are so very nice. And I found this flower, they call it a foliage, which is 30 rand. All I want is a beautiful vase for it so that I can put it nicely when I do my decorations. I once bought some flowers. They were pinkish and cream white. I think I've outgrown them. I hate them now. I don't even use them anymore, but I'll find a place for them. So this one, I liked it so much. I liked it so much. I'll find a beautiful vase and put it in there for some decor. So right now I'm going to show you something that I always wanted. I will always go to the shop and I won't find it. So canisters with this kind of a lid. I like these canisters a lot. I like them. I used to buy some bottles at Checkers store, but they were too small. So these ones, I found them. Actually, a certain friend of mine has plugged me on a video from Pephome, and then I ran from work to go get them. This big one is 26 rand 99 cent. I think you can see it. This is 26 rand 99 cent, and I bought 5 of them. My friend was even asking me, what are you going to put inside? And I just said, wait and see. I'm still gonna get more, and I'm glad I got this. I like the lid. I like the lid so much. The detailing on the lid, it looks woody, even though it's still like, I love it. I love it so much. So I got this 5 of them. I got this 5 of them, and I nearly finished all of them on the shelf. And I got these small ones also. They're so beautiful, those canisters. The small canister trading at 19.99. This one is 20 rand. This one is 20 rand. So I got these 2 sizes, and well, while I was in the shop, I saw another type of canisters with a wood lid, but this time it was not a round shape. It was a square shape of a canister. They were so beautiful, and I was like, but I didn't want the one with the wood, the one with pop in and out. I wanted this one you can screw it on and off. And I also got myself some diffuser, which is a lavender smell, a lavender scent, which is 21 rand 99 cents. I love my room smelling fresh. Those red candles, they're smelling like a strawberry, but I feel they are stronger, so I cannot switch them on for a longer time. They do make me dizzy sometimes. And I bought myself 4 stove plate cover. One will ask me, what am I going to do with this thing? Yes, I bought them because I wanted to use one of this plate to put those white candles, 3 candles inside them. I want to put them inside one of the big plate. I'm sure if you are a decorating person or someone with those aesthetics, you will use anything to transform something. So I'm going to use this one to put my candles and the bedroom, and others I'll put in the kitchen. Really giving this a job of candle holder. I think they can hold my candles so well. They're black in color. I can spray paint them to another color if I want, but for now I will stick to the black color. And this one, there are 2 small plates again, which if I want to put 2 candles, I can put 2 here. Like the red ones, there are 2. I can use the small plate. So that's just it. That's what I got. This is in loving of organized space. This is in loving of clean and neat space. So I am going to have a beautiful, beautiful, clean, organized cupboards, and I can't wait to hang my canvases. They're so beautiful. I feel like I should have gotten 3 of them, but that space is too small for 3. That's why I use 2. Anyway, I love you so much, and thank you guys for watching. Wait until I go and organize my space with these canisters. Wait until I decorate my space. And yeah, that's just it. Do leave your comment down below. Tell me what you think about this haul. Tell me what you think about the organizers. I love them so much. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Kindly subscribing is free, guys. Let's grow this community. We need to get so far. So I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.